Второй класс. Английский язык. Домашнее задание. Страница 80-81. English. Spotlight 2. My toys. Homework page. 80-81. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. What's your name? Where are you from? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? How long have you been here? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here?
My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето. Summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима. Winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна. Spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень. Autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November.
Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 80. 80. My toys. Мои игрушки. Exercise number 1. Repeat after me. Teddy bear. Toy soldier. Ballerina. Pink. Shelf. On. Under. In. Toy box. My dear friends, repeat once more, please, these words. Teddy bear. Toy soldier. Ballerina. Pink. Shelf. On. Under. In. Toy box. Exercise number 2. Boys and girls, look at the pictures, please. Поговори со своим одноклассником, используя образец. Where's the teddy bear? It's on the table. Where's the teddy bear? It's under the shelf. Where's the teddy bear? It's on the table. Where is the teddy bear? It's in the toy box. Where is the teddy bear? It's on the bed. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 81. 81. Look at the picture, please. Exercise number 3. Прослушай диалог, прочитай его. Read the dialogue. Oh dear, Chuckles. What's the matter? He can't find his teddy bear. Nanny, where is his teddy bear? I don't know. Is it under the table? No, it isn't. Oh, where is it? Is it on the shelf? No, it isn't. What about the toy box? Is it in the toy box? Oh, look, my toy soldier. And look, my ballerina. But what about Chuckles' teddy bear? My dear friends, we must read once more. Repeat after me. Oh dear, Chuckles, what's the matter? He can't find his teddy bear. Nanny, where is his teddy bear? I don't know. Is it under the table? No, it isn't. Oh, where is it? Is it on the shelf? No, it isn't. What about the toy box? Is it in the toy box? Oh, look, my toy soldier. And look, my ballerina. But what about Chuckles' teddy bear? Boys and girls, read the dialogue once more. Прочитай диалог еще раз и скажи, чьи это игрушки. Ballerina, teddy bear, toy soldier. The answer. Larry. Toy soldier, Lulu. Ballerina, Chuckles, teddy bear. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye.